Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the account you want as default. Make sure you know the password and two-step verification method. Once ready, use a single browser profile or a dedicated Chrome user to avoid cross-account cookies. Next, go to Accounts. Google, Com, or Gmail, and sign out every other Google account. This clears the session order. Now sign in only to the account you want as your default, so Google registers it as the primary session when you proceed to add more. Once signed into your chosen default, add any other Google accounts only afterwards. The first signed-in account becomes the default for new tabs and some services. Make sure to add them through the account switcher in the top right avatar menu. This preserves the order. If you want persistent separation, create multiple Chrome profiles. Each profile keeps its own default. After adding, verify the primary account appears at the top of the account list. This confirms Google recognized. To finalize, test by opening Gmail or Drive in a new tab. You should land in the default account. If a different account still appears, clear cookies for accounts. Google, Com, or sign out and repeat the sign-in sequence starting with your preferred account. You can also use incognito windows or distinct browser profiles to avoid cross-account interference. If apps like Calendar behave unexpectedly, sign out from all accounts and sign back in, making sure the desired account is first. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.